We are heading out. We're heading out. Day 4. Man, I'm excited. We're going for Lakers again today. We're gonna troll. We're gonna jig. We're gonna have a good day. Stay tuned for day 4.
Great line.
There's our setup for today, guys. Same as yesterday. Improvised DownRigger. We're at 97 feet. This right here is where we're trolling, which is about 75, and those are fish. Fish on, Laker.
Oh, dude, that's looking pretty nice.
Oh yeah, look at the size up.
Yeah, buddy. Dude, this thing's got some girth on him.
27.
Yeah.
Get fishing with Bobby, baby. Second fish on the downrigger. So what we're doing here, while Brett's reeling this guy in, we're trolling in between 90 and 110 feet. And we're trolling just off the bottom. I'm keeping it right around 75, 80 feet. This is now our second fish in what, 15 minutes? So hopefully today stays up like this so we get some keepers to put in the cooler. How's she feel?
Yeah, he's running a little.
A little closer. There you go. 24. Laker number 2 for Bretsky. For the release.
All done. There we go.
I wasn't sure if that was a fish, but it is. So number 3 on. Hasn't even been a half hour. Takes us longer to get the downrigger back down than it does to catch a fish. So he saw the boat. Now he's going for a run. Oh, still a little guy. Oh, I don't know. Oh, look at that. This came with the boat. It's really old. It feels solid. I don't even know if it works. Let's see if this thing works. Oh, yeah. Fishing with Paul B, baby. Okay, so the last fish, we saw something, but we didn't do it, and it didn't pop from the clip. I think we tugged that poor bugger for about a half hour. We were wondering why we weren't getting fish, but we got a fish on now, so let's see. And he feels like he's got a little better weight to him as well. Let's get him in the boat. Number 6. And that was like 2 minutes after we got back down. So we wasted so much dragging that poor little bugger. Let's get back here. Let's get some more fish in the boat. All right, hopefully this is our keeper.
Pulling in Mama's birthday feast here.
Brett on the Syncope 1500 with Berkeley Vanish 12 pound. And he's on the carrot stick, which until yesterday when the tip broke has been performing really well. Let's see what this Laker looks like. We need a couple keepers. That might be a keeper. Oh, I'll get the net. Oh, no, you pulled too far. Got him. Stay there.
Come on, B30.
She's just a getting started.
Yeah, boy.
My turn.
Looking for that one that goes on the grill. You're just gonna try to sneak him off.
Go here.
Okay.
It's a hot dog.
I think we're sinking. Look at the water. That's why a bilge pump is important, ladies and germs. We're gonna troll our way back now and hit a beach, do a little swim, eat our burgers. Big wave coming. Big waves coming. All right, for all you fishermen out there that are watching and wondering, I'm gonna put it in the mouthpiece, but I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing so you can recreate it. You don't need a downrigger, you just need ingenuity. Let's get this done. Ready? There you go. Using our big rod, downrigger with a 4-pound ball on there. Running 12-pound vanish on the carrot stick on a small 1500. Very much going on for that reel there. On the back of that, we're just running a Brad's super bait with a minnow inside. And it's been money. It's been money. Anyway, it's Brett's turn on the fish, so let's get her done. Fish on for Bretsky. This will be the last one before we go for barbecue. Ain't gonna happen. All right, you can't get experience without experience, so captain's got to know when to let the first mate drive. And I look around, there's not much we can run into. Bretsky needs some
no islands.
Some boating experience. So anyway, what I wanted to talk to you guys about, I like to give shout outs where they're due. And I want to give a shout out right now to the Shimano Cigarro. We've had a 4-pound line, 4-pound ball hanging on this thing all day. The thing has just been arched over and we're hitting bottom, and it has just been fantastic that we've been able to use that rod, which I normally use as a salmon rod, as a downrigger. I always talk about my syncopate, I always talk about my carrot stick, but Shimano, you did it right with that rod. It's a salmon rod, I believe it's about a 7-foot, and it's just been performing like a champ. So thank you to Shimano again, just for making kick-ass products, guys. Other than that, let's go eat some beachy barbecue.
Gotta get going, need to be early. The fish, they are biting, getting a little squirrely. Gonna hit my favorite spots, maybe find a newbie. That's what you get when you're fishing with Paul B.
He won't believe me, you tell him. Okay, he can't see me. You say it and I'll tell him. 72.
I know. One after the other.
One after the other. One after another. I think we probably were getting like 20 fish an hour. Like it was just, yeah. Look at the dragonflies here, man. This is crazy. We should call this Dragonfly Island.
Well, they got lots of mosquitoes to choose from.
I never seen this many dragonflies ever.
I'm loving it.
She didn't want to fish. The seas were too rough. Her husband just dropped her at the beach. Bye. Check this out. That's a proper fishing lunch. Oh, guys, the fish has been great. The buddies have been great. I've even got a new friend here. Look at this water. Ooh, giant sandbar out in front of us. Beautiful little rocky beach. Man, this is a little piece of paradise today for the final day, day 4. Little breeze keeping us cool, sunshine keeping us warm.
I'm Frenchie, and I'm fishing with Paul B.
You're fishing with Paul B. Try again.
I'm fishing with Paul B.
There you go. Hey, not bad. Okay, so again, we've been trolling, wondering why we're not getting anything. We go to snap it out of the release just to reel up and change the bait, and we got a fish on. Who knows how long we've been tugging them for. We've been trolling for about 30 minutes here, and I think we're setting it too tight on the snap and they're just not breaking it loose. Oh, he's tiny too. Net's over here on your side. Okay. Hold on that.
My bad. Fish on, fish too long, fish saved.
Yeah. Guys, if you let go of a fish and you see it float up, do your best to come around, grab that fish, nurse him back to health. You know, if he's not swimming off, you could always try a torpedo. That sometimes shocks him into swimming again. If it doesn't, they'll float back up. 9 times out of 10, just be patient. Just give them time to rest, rub their belly, they'll go back down. They start turning dark and turning colors while you're holding them, they're probably not gonna make it. That sometimes happens in fishing, but just do your best if you're gonna fish out here, guys. Fish anywhere, really. Take care of them, right? They take care of us, let's take care of them.
Somebody's mom, somebody's brother, somebody's sister. Send them home if you can.
End of day 4. What do we have in the boat? 9 in the boat?
Yeah.
2 of them were darn near drowned to death. Didn't even know we were tugging them.
Well, we revived them.
But we revived them. I'm definitely sunburned. I'm not enjoying the sun on my face. We have a beautiful, the lake has calmed down so much compared to what it was. So
We're going to be ripping back
Yeah,
in about 30.
yeah, we're gonna rip back. Tomorrow morning we're gonna hit Mary one more time just before we head back. We just want to get our walleye limit.
Take homes, yep, for sure.
Yeah. And yeah, Cold Lake, Marie Lake, fishing with Paul B and Britsky. And again, the subscribe button. Yep. And then the thumbs up button. Just hit them. Just hit them. If you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Fishing with Paul B, baby. Guys, I know I said I was done. I know you already watched the end credits. If you're sticking around for this, look at what we come back to. After all the waves. And you know what? The 4 days out here with good friends, what a recharge. Just, I feel happy and enlightened. And I'm so grateful for the people that invited me fishing and came fishing. Evergreen Lodge and RV Resort. Man, what a beautiful place to stay. You guys check that out in Cold Lake. Another thing, guys, there's a bait shop there. Go in, talk to Kim, buy some bait. The guy out, he was just instrumental in giving us tips and tricks and places to go. And it was really nice. He came over and chatted with us while we were deep frying walleye last night. So just remember, you know, I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I'm just trying to say thank you. You know what? Thank you to everybody who's watching these videos. They keep me inspired. They keep me coming back to make more. I genuinely love making videos for you guys, and it's the likes and the subscribes that motivate me. It helps get the algorithm on YouTube out, and I just really appreciate what you guys are doing. I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for you guys watching my videos. So I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Look what I'm, you know what I mean? Look at this beautiful day. Thank you. Fishing with Paul B to you, thank you. Day 4, Cold Lake, had an amazing trip. Stay tuned for the next adventure. Thanks.